Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So sorry about delay in this video. My laptop is being an a-hole for the past couple of days. So this is a full set on my lovely client Morgan, and I've already prepped the nails and I've just added the pre-pinched almond tips from CJP. And I'm just going over and I'm just blending that contact area in just to make a really nice smooth transition between the natural nail and the tip. Hi buddy. Sorry, the dog's just come to see me. Lay down then, lay down honey. Good boy. So I've now prepped and primed and all that jazz, and buddy, you can't get any closer darling, you'll be on top of the laptop. Come on, move. Sorry, I've just done a set of nails and I've come straight on to do this and I think the dog feels neglected. Sorry darling. I'm just adding my clear layer, which is crystal glass as always. I'm using my big boy brush. So I was just showing my client here the colours. How beautiful is Slush Fairy from CJP. He's so cute. And I don't know why there's a massive gap there. And that's the glitter I'm using. It's from Lecente and it is golden white in Multi-Glitz. So coming in on my application, this is Slush Fairy. It is so beautiful, I love it. And I've just placed that bead on at the cuticle and I'm just dragging it down. I'm doing an extended nail bed. This Slush Fairy is so lovely to work with, it's so nice. Just adding my second bead on there to make sure I've got my apex in. And yes, my nails are still manky. So this colour here is the... Hang on a minute, I need to get my bearings because it looks different on the camera. I think this is Barbie Girl. Obviously all CJP. Yeah, that's definitely Barbie Girl. I'm just going to do a vertical ombre with this one. And then that's Heatwave. I'm just roughly going to blend these two together down the middle. I'm not too overly fussed with the blend because I'm going to be going over the top with glitter anyway. So I'll just then kind of pick up wet beads of either colour and run them down that centre where the join is, just to lightly blend them. And this is that Lecente golden white Multi-Glitz. Just popping that over the top of there. So lovely, that golden colour. It's kind of... It's not iridescent, but it just picks up over the top of any colour. It's really lovely. And then just capping this in my crystal glass. So bead on, tuck it in, and then pat and press down the nail. Make sure you've got enough coverage. And here I'm just checking down the barrel of the nail, make sure I've got enough coverage on there. This is ultraviolet. I think that one's Smashed Peach, I think. Again, just loosely blending down that central line. Coming in with that same glitter again. I will leave the names in the description box for you. Right, so that's Smashed Peach, ultraviolet, and I think that index finger was actually Heatwave. That's Barbie Girl. And that's Heatwave. And I just sort of keep layering the colours up with that glitter until I like the look of the nail. Just really thinly with these. A bit more Barbie Girl at the top. That was my client just saying, "Oh my god, I love that nail." Sorry about the dog snoring. Come here, honey. Buddy, lift your head up, baby. It's just capping this little bad boy. I love doing this client's nails. She just has the most beautiful, dainty, pretty little hands, so yeah. Just come in here on this pinky with Barbie Girl. And Smashed Peach. They just look stunning together, those colours, don't they? Look, oh my goodness, I'm in love. I'm going to cap this little poppet and then move on to that extended nail bed. There's some serious big gaps in this video, and my other half edits them for me, and because the laptop's been playing up, this is like the 4th time he's had to edit this video, and I think he's just had enough. So I think he was like, that will do, sort of thing. So sorry if there's any long gaps or anything in it, but he's had to go out to work and I've just finished, so I really wanted to get one up tonight for you because I know it's been quiet, but honestly this was supposed to go up a couple of days ago, but the laptop's just been an idiot. So right, so all I'm doing here is I'm just flat filing the top of that smile line just to make sure it's nice and crisp. Now the good thing about these new colours from CJP, these ones are all strength powders as well, which obviously means they don't need capping, so that's why I sort of came in and did this sort of marble design on this free edge, because I knew I wouldn't have to cap it and I can just file through it. So I just popped Heatwave on there and I've just tucked it right up into one of the wings. And this is ultraviolet and I'm doing the same, and I'm bringing it across the top of the other colour as well. It doesn't matter if it gets on my smile line because I'm going to file through that at the end anyway to make sure it's crisp. Coming in with a bit more Heatwave there, make sure there's enough tucked right up into that wing. Popping some Barbie Girl on. Some of that Heatwave and some Smashed Peach. Just making sure that side was built out enough. There's enough product on there, and then finally just adding some more pink just on top of that Heatwave, so that when I file through I sort of get like a marbled effect. And you see I'm really pulling the skin back on the side of the finger there so I can get right up into that wing. So here we're just filing. and I hope he's edited them all out. But my lovely friend Morgan is rather naughty, because when my back's turned, she likes to stick her middle finger up to the camera. So we think we found the only one that she did and edited it out, but if one sneaks in, then I apologise. But she finds herself hilarious. So yeah, it's just a little bit of filing to do on these, just to resharpen that free edge up. Oh hi, so it looks like we've skipped straight to top coat now. That glitter just looks so stunning on top of those colours. So yeah, this one is definitely Heatwave and Ultraviolet. Like, I literally have the worst lint-free wipes in the world, because there's so much freaking hair that comes off them. They drive me mad. Honestly, like, I just, ugh. They make me mad. Just top coat the other hand. Oh, I've literally dragged her other arm across the table so that I can get it in. So this one is Ultraviolet and Barbie with some of that glitter on. And this one is just Heatwave. Or is that Smash Peach? I really can't tell on my camera. It's really bad. And then that one's Heatwave and Barbie Girl. So I just thought I'd give you a slow-mo. So pretty. I'm rather disappointed with that slow-mo that you picked out. Actually, I'm going to have a word with him about that. I will find a better one next time. So now just coming in with my cuticle oil, and I will leave a shot of the finished set at the end for you. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one, and I'll see you soon. Bye!